How to get $60 Costco promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Costco.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now you can go ahead and log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase and then head towards the checkout page. While you land to the checkout page, you will find this section of promo code. Over there you have to paste the code and you will get the discount. Now how can you get Costco promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Costco promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can use any of these websites to get Costco promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm going to open Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. $180 offer, $40 offer, $20 offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in. All you have to do is click on the option of See Discount. Now I can go ahead and click on the option of View Discount at Costco. With that, you will land to the official website of Costco. Now I can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, this coupon will be automatically applied to your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. Also go through these websites as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Costco. Well, this is how you can get up to $60 Costco promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.